Hi, really quickly, I'm going to explain how to edit anything that is in the header or in the footer. So these are global pages, so this is always going to show on all the different pages. It's going to show this same header and the same for the footer. So to edit that, you'll scroll over the page builder and you'll see header. Click here. It's going to bring you to a new page that's going to show you just the header and footer. At this point, you can only edit the header. And so you can come up here and the button is right here. And you can change the link right here. Once you're finished, you can push publish. And the same goes for the footer, which you'll have to go back to the home screen. Hover here and footer. And now you'll be able to edit the footer.